Bryanston is a co-educational boarding school in North Dorset. We have 680 pupils. For a parent, I think it's very much about the fact that there really are no anonymous pupils here, that their child will be recognised and allowed to grow. Because of the range of opportunities here, there are always going to be things that pupils really enjoy doing, starting things that you may never have tried before, being able to be expert at things that you know you want to spend the rest of your life doing. That gives you transferable skills, because what it really gives you is confidence. Technology matters to us a lot here because we're up a 2-mile drive in 400 acres of glorious Dorset countryside. You know, we're not in the middle of London.
From a technology perspective, most pupils here want to be connected. It's as simple as that. Now, that connection can vary from their social connection through to their work connection. They expect the service to be reliable, and they expect the service to be invisible.
The challenge in Bryanston is that there's about 7 devices on each person. All those devices use our network in one way or another. With that amount of volume, we can't afford to take any real risk within the IT system. A lot of that is investment in the current infrastructure, but more importantly nowadays is investing in the movement of data around the place.
When we chose Aruba as our partner, we were looking for somebody that was able to deal with and not be fazed by the installation challenges we have. We needed somebody that had done it before. So one of the most relevant features within the Aruba product we have at the moment is called ClearPass. That allows us to allow students to put any device they wish onto the network, and for us to take that device and put it into the correct role. So if you're a junior student, you get tighter filtering restrictions around your internet use and things like that. It's really important for us to know where our assets are. 400 acres worth of campus, a mile from end to end, and some 30 odd buildings in it. With Airwave, we are able to see the entire stock, and we can see the mobility of that. There are 3 distinct applications that add value at Bryanston. First one is a product called Boardingware, second one is a product called e-lockers, and the third one is a home-built product called e-charts. Boardingware is an interesting one. It's fairly new to us, but it's allowing us to take accountability of the pupils as they move around the school. So the pupils click on their names, tell us where they're going, what time they're going to be back, and that automatically lets the house parents know where those pupils are at any given time. E-lockers is a product we've been using for many, many years. It's like a drop folder. Essentially, a member of staff will put a resource into it, and they can then share that with the class. Within the e-lockers application, we're able to pin resources to beacons. We're putting them to various locations, and we're telling these beacons to trigger certain resources within the e-locker. Over the years, the school has developed its own bespoke e-charting system, so we have both a web page and an app. We can add audio comments, we can take pictures to add evidence to the chart. It's a means of communicating about the individual that allows teachers to mark work, pupils to review work, parents to see what's going on. Toby, that was a brilliant week, well done, great. From a parental point of view, parents expect the technology to be an enabler. It's vitally important pupils don't cite technology as being a hindrance to how they learn, how they interact, or how they socialise.
That is what's good about the school connection, is there are so many access points, and because it's AC wireless and you've got the huge bandwidth, we can access information very quickly.
There's not a certain place where it says the Wi-Fi is like better signal there. It's like good around the whole school.
The depth of resource we now have access to seems to be unlimited. Working with Aruba has given me a partnership. Somebody's got my back. We have a problem, they'll have a solution.